Hello and welcome back to my video diary here at RAF Halton. My name is Air Recruit Keen and I'm here on BRTC Part 2 for the RAF Reserves. So today is day 10 days in, which means there's only 5 days left, not that I'm counting. It's been absolutely amazing up until this point, it really has, and the next 5 days are going to be just as good. We're deploying out onto the field on Wednesday, so only 2 days away. Got to do all that prep tonight and over the next few days. But first, let's talk about today. Nice early start this morning, had to be at breakfast at 6:30 to then march down to the armoury at 7:15 to meet the corporal to pick up our rifle. And then today we marched down to the live ranges. We did our first bit of live firing today and it was incredible. It was so good. If you've never shot a rifle before, look forward to this day because it's brilliant. I really enjoyed it as well. I'm not too bad at shooting. I got 9mm as my best grouping, so I was really happy with that. Hopefully I can get that sort of grouping when it comes to the test day on Wednesday. So the way it works on your live shooting day is you'll do live shooting in prone position, so lying down at the live range, shooting live rounds. Then you'll go down to the DCCT to get back on the computer to then practice all the different positions that you are going to be doing your test in. So those positions are sitting down, which is a bit weird. It's a bit unnatural, sitting down firing a weapon, but you do get used to it. There are a few techniques that the corporals will show you on how to get the best out of the sit-in shoot. So sitting down first and then kneeling unsupported, a bit easier. Standing unsupported was really weird because you have to get really into the rifle and lean forward, and it's a bit of kickback, but you really get into it as well. So kneeling unsupported, standing unsupported, kneeling supported. There are poles or posts at the range, so you can really get into the post. You're encouraged to kind of lean into the post, which supports you. So kneeling supported and then standing supported. If you're quite tall like me, I'm about 6 foot. If you're quite tall, you can actually get on top of the post as well, and it does really help and really supports. So all of those 3 positions in the DCCT, and then you'll go out to the live ranges again and you'll practice all of those positions with live rounds, which is amazing. I think in total we each shot about 103 rounds each today, which was brilliant. It was also the last time we're going to be doing live firing, and then the test is going to be in the DCCT on the computer on Wednesday. That's when top shot is proven, and there are some really good shots with this group of people, so it's all to play for at the moment. So that was today really, lots and lots of shooting. It was an amazing day, and if you are coming on this course, a day you can really look forward to. Tomorrow we're straight into deployment skills, so getting us prepared to deploy out to the field on Wednesday night. As I said, we've got to pack our Bergens tonight. Some of us did quite a bit of work on our Bergens last night, so you'll get all your kit on the kit list laid out, and then you have to get those those individual bits of kit into plastic bags, so it's all waterproof, and then you have to label the plastic bags on what it is, and that's all going to be inspected, so it has to look nice and neat. So I did that last night, and some of the guys did that last night as well. And yeah, that's about it. Today was a brilliant day, like I said, something to look forward to, and tonight is all about packing our Bergens and reading up on deployment skills, because tomorrow is a big long day of PowerPoints, learning deployment skills, and then we've got a test on the Wednesday for that as well. So that's it. I'm gonna leave you and I'll talk to you tomorrow on day 11. Like I said at the start, if you have got any questions whatsoever about the RAF Reserves or about Halton and anything in general about, you know, shooting or any of the courses that we have done on this course, just get in touch, drop them in the comments or email and we'll get to them. But for now, I'll talk to you tomorrow.